Okay, so we stopped and took a little pause and we told about what happened, the problem or conflict that happened in the beginning of our story, which was that Tortoise and Hare were having a little argument over who was faster, and they decided to have a race. So let's start reading right here. Hare and Tortoise decide to have a race. They went out to the narrator 3. They went out to the field and saw Fox. Tortoise: "Hey, Fox, will you help us? Will you start our race?" Fox: "I would be happy to. Who do you think will win?" Hare and Tortoise together: "I will." Fox: "Ready, set, go." Narrator 1. Hare and Tortoise started their race. Hare started off with a great pace. Narrator 2. Tortoise kept plodding along, but a lot slower than Hare. Hare: "I'm so far ahead of Tortoise he will never catch up. I think I will take a rest." Narrator 3. Hare sat down by a tree and fell asleep. Narrator 1. Tortoise continued plodding along and passed the tree where Hare was sleeping. So, we're on our little roller coaster. We know the conflict is they each thought they could win a race, so they decided to have a race. Now we're getting to the top. The race is going. Hare got so far in front of Tortoise, he said, "I'm going to stop right here and take a nap." And the tortoise just kept on trotting along, slowly, slowly. And he went right past where the Hare was taking a nap. Interesting. So now we're at the very top. We're at the climax. That means we're in the middle of the race. The tortoise is plodding along, going at a slow pace, and the Hare stopped to take a nap. And now the tortoise has walked right past the Hare. So that's the climax of our story. We're at the top of the roller coaster, or the middle. So now we're going to pause one more time. You're going to click on the next slide, and you're going to tell me what the climax of the story is, or what's happening now that we're at the top of the roller coaster. The climax of the story, because as we come down the other side is when we make our resolution, and that's what happens in the end. So we're not going to do that yet. We're at the top. The race is happening. Tortoise is just plodding along, slowly but surely. And the Hare ran so far ahead, he stopped to take a nap, fell asleep under a tree. So that's all happening in the middle of our story. So let's take a pause. I want you to click to the next slide and explain to me what's happening right here, the middle climax of our story.